Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am so excited to update you on 3 new Defiance funds that are coming out that will shock the entire high yield dividend investing community. But before I do, please smash that like button so the algorithm gods know that I'm here, and hit subscribe if you're new so you know whenever I go live where I talk about finance, news, stocks, and investing, or I publish a new video like the one you're watching. With that out of the way, guys, let's get into it. So Defiance is coming out with 3 new ETFs, and these ones are going to be absolute bangers, okay? Absolute bangers. You guys might know some of their, previous funds, some of the ones that didn't do so hot or pissed off a lot of investors, but these 3 new ones that are coming out, I think are going to change the game, okay? Just real quick, in case you guys didn't know, QQQY, WTE, and IWMY, these 3 are getting updated or updates to their prospectus. So those should be coming in the next couple of weeks. So hopefully investors in these funds will be able to see NAV appreciation. All right. Whether you believe in NAV erosion or not, entirely up to you. I don't care. It's a flat earth theory. You believe it or don't. Makes no difference to me. All right. Let's get into the juicy part of this. Okay. So going over to the community, Alex, keeper of the ETF filings and update records. All right. He posted this. All right, this is the lightning spread strategy from Defiance. And there's a massive kicker here, guys. The fund will seek to provide income twice weekly in the form of cash distributions. This is massive news. This is the first product to market by any fund manager that's going to pay you twice. We're not that far off, guys, from getting paid 3 times to almost daily. We'll see what happens in the future. But Defiance, again, coming out of left field with an innovative product, okay? They came out with MST not too long ago, which was a leverage 1.5 to 2x levered ETF for MSTR, and a lot of investors ate that one up as well. So I suspect a lot of investors will be excited about these new ones coming out. So I get a lot of questions. How do I find this information, right? Well, you can go to sec.gov, right? /EDGAR/browse, and you can look for title trust 2, okay? And that will bring you down here, and you're going to have to go through each of these pieces to find what you're looking for, okay? For me, it was this one, if I'm not mistaken. 5/23 was the filing date, okay? So I have it open here. So these are the 3 new funds coming from Defiance, okay? No idea when they will come out. Okay, I wish I did. I have no idea when they'll be available on Robinhood or Webull or M1 Finance or Vanguard, Schwab, or Fidelity. But this prospectus was updated recently, okay? It was updated last week, May 23rd. Now, this is called the Defiance NASDAQ 100 Lightning Spread Income ETF, QLDY, the Defiance S&P 500 Lightning Spread Income ETF, SSOY, and then the Defiance Russell 2000 Lightning Spread Income ETF, IJRY. These are 3 new ETFs hitting the market, and they're the only ones of their kind. Now, let's take a look at a couple things about this fund, okay? So we can see that the expense ratio is going to be about 1.04%. So that's a little more than some of their competitors, but they're paying you twice a week, so they might deserve that extra couple of basis points for their expense ratio, but you guys will have to be we'll have to decide about that. But not only that, who knows if they might change this expense ratio when they actually launch the funds, all right? So something just to be aware of, something to keep your eye on. Now, these strategies are no different than what Roundhill is doing, right? Or what YieldMax is doing. They also run 0 DTE strategies, all right? This one is also going to do the same exact thing. They're going to be buying long dated, deep in the money call options on the index, right? The Russell 2000, the NASDAQ 100, or the S&P 500, and then writing or selling put spreads on the index with 0 day to expiration, 0 DTE, meaning the put spread expires at the end of the same day it is sold. So this is really, really cool. And then here in the actual perspective, if you scroll down, you can see it right here. The fund will seek to provide income twice weekly in the form of a cash distribution. Again, this is the first of its kind. They're the first to market. I think this is really going to put Defiance on the map. Again, they are constantly innovating, and I know they do have somewhat of a rep, with a lot of investors for these 3 particular funds. But again, these are going to get updated, and we should see greener days for them. But this, again, they are smashing it. One of their most famous funds, in my opinion, is QTUM. It is the Quantum ETF. It is ticker QTUM. And this ETF has absolutely been killing it, right? Absolutely been killing it. It's been growing in value. I think it's already recovered to its all-time highs. So again, this is just further proof that Defiance is here to stay, right? They're here to stay. They're here to bring more products to the market, bring more innovative products to investors. So you could see that all these competitors, you have Defiance, you have Roundhill, you have YieldMax, you have Neos, you have Rec Shares, you have all these fund managers, trying to innovate new ETFs to bring to market to attract new investors, right? And we are going to be the benefactors because now we'll be able to invest in all of these different types of strategies for either high yield, for income, appreciation, whatever, right? So that'll pretty much do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know this is a quick video. I don't have much else to share. I just wanted to get this big explosive news out to you guys as quick as possible. So hope you enjoyed it. All right, if you did, smash that like button. Let me know down below in the comments. Are you going to be buying this? Are you excited for this? Are you going to hold your money and maybe wait for the dailies? That would be kind of wild. Let me know what your thoughts. I will see you guys in the next video. You guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.